Hi, Professor. This video demonstrates the game development in Lab 7, which we got to start from the very beginning. That we need to add at least 4 of the option below. So I add in this game I add more high scores and speed it up files handling and add in multiples of each obstacle. So let's check my code here. And okay, so this is the side of the window, and I have added a couple obstacles which are the birds are already there, and so I added Iron Man, Superman, and the bird 2 is to use for the files handling. And then I set up all the default values for the get for the true or false, and then this function is to record or update and record the highest score, and then I have a PDF. So actually, the game is in chapter 8, bottoms fly, and so it's in here. I and so I have a high score files here, and so I every time so we this width here is to open the high score file for the reading, and then also it could read the single line to store the file and split the high score stored in one line into different strings. Then so this part is pretty obvious. And then for the next function displays high score is to show the user right after that's after the game when the game's end, and then so a new screen generate to show uh, the high score and its current score. So this draw function here is to show there's all the bloom or all the obstacle and uh and all the obstacle in the windows, if they are not in the game over, they show up in the screen. Otherwise, if the game over, then it record the displays high score, and then to show the high score in on the window. Then so this is mouse up and down to play the game. Every time I press the mouse bottom and the character. In this case, I use Mario. Yeah, I use Mario, and then so it goes up, and otherwise it drop. It falls automatically, and the update function, the flag function here is to use the bird because it has 2 character, and then so this function is to make the birds more more better, and then it looks like really flying. So uh the update function here is to is the main function here. Actually, it's the main function here whenever the obstacle hit the left side of the window, and then so it the score +1 to and then and record it. So I have a multiple obstacle. I have set add multiple obstacle, and then so for the if here I for other obstacle I need to use the else if. Yeah, I need to use else if to yeah, I need to use more if and else to show up to for the obstacle passing the left side of the window. And yep. So let's see. It's basically I have added all the annotation here for any developer to check the code. And yeah, I have played 2 games for now. So let's check. Let's run the game. Let's start over. And then yeah, it's Mario. I have added Superman and Iron Man's. Oh, it's still 4. Okay, it's below. Let's do like a more than between 4 and 24. It should be the second highest score. Okay, so let's do it. Let me see. Okay, yeah, it's Mario, and the Superman is going from the left, from the right, left to right, and the Iron Man going from the right to left, and which is also an option I have done. So it's 18. Okay, come on. Okay, let's play more than 24 in, and then so it should be the number 1 highest score. Okay, 22. I give up. Let's see. 39. Yep, the 39 is a high score, and then so the file handling will auto update the high score to the file. And as we could check here, so the high is 39, and the 24 is the second one, and the 44 is the what I played just now. And then let's do it again between 24 to 24, between 24 to 4, and then they should be it will be the 3rd highest score. So let's start it. Oh, I gotta close, and then so I gotta start it. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I give up, and the score should show up the 3rd. Yeah, the 3rd high score. And so let's do the between 24 to 39 and see how it goes. I got to more than 24 and below 33. More than, oh, wow. It's fast. It got to be 24. Okay, now I need to take a check. That is okay. 26 is the second high score. So I set up a high score in this game, and then so it works pretty well. And yep, so let's check the requirement again. Yes, file handling and a more high scores and more high scores and speed it up. We can see the Superman going really fast and the rest going in a smooth speed, and more. I mean a multiple of obstacles, and then so the game is good. Okay, I see you in next assignment.